this device is located on both sides of the screen. We call it Main Toolbar, and you can open it by clicking on this icon. The toolbar has 10 default buttons, and I'll briefly introduce each one. The first one is Return, the back button. Just like using your phone, one click takes you back to the previous page. The second is the Home button. No matter which screen you're on, one click instantly returns to the main page. The third button is Backstage, for background applications. You can quickly switch back to previously opened applications. The fourth and fifth are Shortcuts app, where you can place up to 3 of your most frequently used apps. The sixth is All apps, where you can see all the applications installed on the device. Next is a pen icon. This is the annotation tool, which you can use to write or draw on the screen, just like using a whiteboard. The eighth button is the Connectivity panel, which manages various input ports, including HDMI, Type-C, and VGA. Here you can display content from other devices on the screen or switch to the Windows interface. Next is the Power Control button, which you can choose to shut down, sleep, or restart. To operate, you need to press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. The last button is More Tools, which provides access to the system's built-in widgets. While these widgets are straightforward to use, they're incredibly valuable. To maximize the potential of this device, it's essential to take advantage of these widgets as they can significantly boost your work efficiency.